Hey friends, welcome back to Decorate Your Life. I'm so glad you're here because today is a very special video. I'm sharing a look at some adorable altered mini composition notebooks. And I have two super exciting announcements.
Decorate your life with heart, with hands, with grace. Invite your crafty friends along, there's always room, there's space. Decorate your life, it's more than just a name.
First things first, it's our official Decorate Your Life 2025 Brand Ambassador Call. If you love crafting, sharing, and inspiring others, we would love to have you on our team. You can learn more about the requirements and how to apply using the link in the description box below. Second, it's my birthday, and we're celebrating big with a birthday weekend giveaway and a huge sale. You can find up to 50% off on tons of items at our website and Etsy shop, and I'll make sure to leave links to our website and our Etsy in the description area underneath this video. And as part of the celebration, we're giving away 3 altered mini notebooks plus matching paper packs. To enter, you must be a visible subscriber, like this video, and leave a comment telling me which notebook is your fave and that you'd like to be entered. This giveaway is for US residents only, and winners will be chosen soon, so be sure to enter. Now let's take a look at these beautiful little notebooks. Each one was altered using papers from my latest collections, along with bows, flat-back pearls, and little embellishments to give them their own personality. These make lovely gifts for Mother's Day, craft fair items, or just sweet little journal companions. Plus, they make great replacement notebooks for my passport-size laminated traveler's notebooks that I make for our websites. The paper collections that I used are tasty treats, shabby chic roses, and vintage roses. And some of the embellishments that I used to alter these pint-sized composition notebooks are also available on our websites. I do need to add, however, that the ephemera that I used to embellish these notebooks are not my design. I purchased them from another great Etsy store. Aren't they absolutely stunning? I thought the ephemera labels went extremely well with the shabby, chic, and vintage styles. I've been adding washi tape and other trims just outside the spine ever since I started altering mini composition notebooks. I like to do this to accentuate the beautiful papers that I use. I always use double-sided tape to adhere the washi tape for good permanent placement. What makes my altered composition notebooks different from many that I've seen is that I always add an inner cover to every one of my notebooks. I find that by taking this extra step, not only does it hide the washi or trim fold over, but it gives the notebook more of a finished look. This is just my personal preference, and I consider it a service to my customers when I'm able to make it pretty as can be inside and out. Oops! As you can see, I forgot to add washi to the back of this notebook, but I still applied the same quality guidelines throughout. Gosh, I can't believe that I forgot to add the washi. I got my hands on these cute fabric embellishments. I think they make the perfect accents for the Tasty Treats paper collection. Aren't they adorable? Thank you so much for watching, for celebrating with me, and for always being such a supportive community. Decorate Your Life just wouldn't exist without your support. I truly mean that. With that said, make sure to check the links in the description for the ambassador call, the items that I used in these projects, and our birthday sale. Hey, good luck on the giveaway. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Unfold, a ribbon curl, a little joy in our crafty world. Paper dreams and lacy trims, let's create on heartfelt whims. From beaded pens to vintage finds, Sandy shares what she designs. With love and care in every frame, no two moments are the same. Decorate your life with colors blue and light, stitching joy in every page, from morning into night. Decorate your life where memories take flight, with shabby chic and whimsy sweet, it all feels just right.